Is your aging loved one recovering from a hospital stay or in need of assistance with everyday activities? Are you a senior who is finding it more difficult to keep up with chores around your home? Life can be challenging in the senior years, and a little help will make you or your loved one more comfortable. You need a friendly and honest caregiver who will listen and strive to meet your needs. We understand that, and we're here to help. We're a team of professionally trained caregivers who are always trying to improve people's lives, from personal care and housekeeping to companion care and many needs in between. We will provide you with a customized plan designed for your specific situation and budget. Whether you need assistance 24/7 or just a few hours a day, our caregivers are ready to help. Contact us today to see how we can make your life easier.